Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you guys how to use Fibonacci retracement in Forex trading view. What you need to do is at first head over to your interface, which will look something like this, and then at the left side you see these four lines. You just tap on this and then click on Fib retracement, and then your tool will be ready. Now before I show you this, one of the most important things for a Fibonacci retracement is understanding a swing, which is a big move like this. Like as you can see, there has been a long down move right over here, and then a retracement which goes something like this, which is going up in the opposite direction. As you can see, this is a swing and then retracement, which means it is going in the opposite direction from this point. So once you've identified the swing, what you need to do for that is head over to the Fibonacci retracement, turn this on, and then from the highest point, you want to head down to the lowest point. If this was a sell and if this was a buy, you want to go from the lowest to the highest. So as you can see, this is the zone. Now the most important area for a Fibonacci is this area between 0.618 to 0.382, and we call this the golden area. So if you want to be focused on the most important part, what you need to do is you'll see this setting over here, and if you don't see this, just click on anywhere on the lines, Fibonacci lines, and this will come up. You want to tap on the settings. From there you want to disable all of these because you don't need these, and you want to change the color of these to yellow and then click on OK. As you can see, this area over here, you can also honestly go ahead and remove the 0.5, and this area that you're seeing is the most important part for your Fibonacci retracement, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.